This is Rhino Auto Hub, and here with me I have the headlights for the Range Rover Sports. This is 2001 to 2009 Range Rover Sports. You can confirm the images here of the videos that I have here. Here a pair goes for 120,000 K, negotiable. You can also decide to buy one. This is the left hand side. Sorry, this is the right hand side. This is the left hand side. If you decide to just get one, it's only 60,000 a piece. Na pia ukitaka zote mbili, we can also be able to give them to you. And we also do installation. So like if you're interested, if you want them fixed, we also do installation at a fee, and we do delivery countrywide. Remember, each piece is 60,000 Kenya shillings, and they are brand new. These are not they're not ex-Japan. They are brand new straight from the dealer, from the manufacturer. It has the HID and the LED bulbs, and it even has the full light. I don't know kama unaona the full light here. Hiyo bulb iko hapo already. The HID bulbs are there. The LED here for the turn signals. The reflector is there. So this is a perfect headlight for your car. So kujia, number ni 0799 438 100.